Are you looking for a simple step-by-step guide? How to turn off analytics on TikTok. In this video, I will show you how to turn off TikTok analytics in just a few simple steps, so make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the TikTok app, and then tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen, and then tap Settings and Privacy. Once you are on this page, tap Account. So now, if you have a business account, you need to switch it to a personal account. Tap Switch to Personal Account. By switching to a personal account, it will turn off and remove analytics from your TikTok account. But you will also lose all business account features as well. So if you want to turn off analytics on your TikTok account, just tap where it says Switch Anyway, and now you've successfully disabled analytics on your TikTok account. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.